what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly Wolf and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. So today's video is basically going to be about building this little guy. So I made a, I would say like $10 trellis out of stakes that I actually found at Lowe's. And this video is basically going to be like, so how I put this together. I drilled a bunch of pilot holes and then of course put these guys together. I cut a few pieces so this wasn't a full system into the planter, but yeah, I think it works really well, and it's a super easy trellis to just kind of put up so that my peas and my vines and everything can start growing for the fall. It's getting a little bit cooler out, so I've kind of been planning and planting things that will grow in the cooler weather. So peas and more beans and vine beans and everything like that. So yeah, so I just put together a little video for this. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's not the most beautiful thing, but it works. It was super simple. It's either that or like I really put some effort into it, or I buy one from Lowe's or whatever, and they start at like $30 to $40, $50 even for like a cute little trellis like this. But yeah, I think it worked well. I'll let you guys watch a little time lapse of me putting it together, and yeah, hope you enjoy. So I found these $10 stakes at Lowe's. They're super cute, and they're 6 feet each, and there's 6 of them in a thing. I'm pretty sure I only need 6. I have 4 lined up on the ground already, and I'm gonna grab 2 from this. I grabbed a few bundles just to use. So yeah, it's over there if you guys can see. Whoop. Gonna put it together. Let's do it. All right, not perfect, but he's good enough. I'm gonna go stick him in the ground. Yay! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that gave you a little bit of detail on how I put this guy together. And like I said, I just put it into the existing bed that I already have here. And hopefully it'll be full of vines and peas soon. I already have some growing. I don't know how good they'll last, but I have more. You can kind of see right here, already coming up. So these guys will take the place of the ones that are already here, and hopefully I'll have a whole wall of peas. Also, this is really good, and the reason why I made it was because of JR and his basketball court. Balls keep coming into my garden. Okay, do you see this? Look what he did. Look at this.
That wasn't me. That
was you. Look at this. This poor baby. It's totally fine because I'm actually going to be picking these and taking them out. These were just excess plants. I'm going to be doing something else with this bed. But yeah, anyways. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. And make sure you like and subscribe to this video. I'll see you later. Bye.